What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? What you gonna do? This is just vlogs now.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Dearra, of course, and if you guys are new, welcome to you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you guys can be a part of the family, along with the notification bell so that you are updated every time I do upload. So guys, guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? It's Vlogmas, y'all. It's Vlogmas. I said that I will do it. Well, at least I will try, because y'all already know my laptop has been messing up. So I'm going to try to keep getting this content out to y'all every single day as long as I can. But in the meantime, what we doing today for day one of Vlogmas, y'all? We about to go look for a tree, and it's not just any tree, y'all. It's not just any tree. Usually I would get like a big tree, but I don't know. For some reason, I just keep seeing these little bitty small trees at the Dollar Tree, and I kind of want to do like a little Christmas tree haul over there. So I'm going to be going to look for a little small little tree. They're just so cute, and I don't know, just to sit on your table. Don't have to have that little hassle. Don't have to do anything, especially since I'm going to my mother's house for the actual day. What's the point of putting it up here and then putting it down there and then just like, oh my god, just make it look cute in here for like Christmas, you know. But yeah, so that's what we're doing today. We're going to go Christmas tree shopping for the little mini trees, and we're about to get this on the road, y'all. So yeah, stay with me, y'all. But before we go, don't forget to hit the subscribe, all right? Hit that subscribe button so that you guys will be notified for all of my videos that's coming out every single day. Not only is my videos coming out every single day for Vlogmas, but I will still be posting all of my reactions every day as well. So stay tuned for those, all right? All right? All right? Did you hear me? But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Okay, yeah, so in the store, got my basket. About to go look for these freaking Christmas trees. I can't find them anywhere. So yeah, let me see. I see the Christmas section. Let me hook my keys. Alright. Let's see. Okay. But yeah, oh my god, it's been so hard trying to find freaking trees. Oh. Okay. Oh, see, here they are. Oh, I kept them. Oh my god. I found some. I didn't really think I was going to ever find them. Okay. Oh, they ain't got no green ones. What's this color? Oh, no. Well, I guess I'm getting a white tree today, y'all. I got one, see? Okay. Okay, now I could decorate my tree. So, let me get it. Okay, I'm getting excited. Ooh. Okay. Now I gotta decide on what I want to make this tree, because it's white, it's not green, and I really wanted the green tree, but I'll take what they got. Let me see. Hold on. Okay, yeah, like, I really need to get out the store. Like, I just keep buying stuff. Like, oh my god, I only came looking for the tree and maybe some decorations. But now I got a good idea for another little video as well. But yeah, I got the tree. So look at this. Yeah, I can see it. Hold on. So I don't drop my phone. So yeah, got the tree. Got some ornaments. I even got this little Merry Christmas sign for my door. I'm gonna try to make some ornaments. I never did that before, so this one was the first time. So yeah, better stay tuned for that. I also have to get some, what are these things called? Stockings. Y'all, look at this skirt. So cute. But yeah, so I just been in here. Every time I go down the aisle, I keep finding something else. That's why you can never come into Dollar Tree. You're gonna always leave like broke. Oh, look, this is so cute, like for real. Oh, should I get it? Should I get it? Oh, I'm gonna get it. Oh my god, I need to go. I need to go for real. But yeah, every time I go down the aisle, I see something else I want to like do. I think I got too much stuff to put on this little bitty tree. We gonna see. At least I got options. Oh, let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna go. If I need something else, I'll just come back. So, no, don't look. Don't look. But yeah. Which aisle? This aisle. So, yeah. I'll get back to y'all soon. Ooh. Ooh, I can breathe, y'all. Like, this be suffocating me. It be suffocating me, like, for real. Hold on. Oh, y'all, I look ratchet today. But your girl's on a mission, and I completed my mission. Like, my mission was to figure out where to get these freaking... Let me get over. Where to get this freaking tree from. Because every time I went to a place... Ooh. But yeah, like I was saying, every time I went to a place, they were like, they did not have this tree. Like... Oh, sorry. Make sure I ain't going at the wrong moment. But yeah. Okay, yeah, like everywhere I went, they said they did not have this freaking tree. So I was like, oh my god, everybody just know about this freaking Dollar Tree. Like, okay, I'm trying to freaking do a video. Like, I want to do like a little Dollar Tree haul, Dollar Tree setup. Like, if you're on a budget, you can have Christmas too. Like, basically, that's why I was going for this shit. Like, come on now. Like, why did it do to me? Why they do this to me though? But I was able to find a tree, and I'm so happy. Even though it's not a green tree, like for some reason, I don't know why, I just never really like the white trees. But this year though, I love the white tree. It's my favorite. Like, so I'm just so excited. But I got too much stuff. I already know all that stuff is not gonna fit on this tree, and if it does, it's gonna be like, where the tree at, man. But we gonna get it together, and we gonna see how it's gonna look with all the stuff I did get. But when I get back to the house, I'll basically like go through everything, show you guys what I got and things like that, so that you guys know what to be expecting for tomorrow's vlog, because then I'm gonna put it up for y'all so y'all can see what it's gonna be. But yeah, so I'm just so happy I found this freaking tree. But real talk, y'all, I really thought it was gonna take all day. It literally was at the first store that I went to that was on my list, because all week long I've been trying to figure out where they had the trees at, preparing for this vlog, preparing to go and get the tree, but no one had it. And then I was like, let me go try over here at a Dollar Tree I didn't even think of. It was that one day I didn't even think of that I don't even go to. It's just because I'm on the way to my grandma's house that I found it. That's crazy. I should have looked at that one in the first place. But yeah, I'm excited. This tree is gonna be bomb. Just stay tuned for that. But yeah, so I'll see you guys again. Let's get this going. Ooh, Dearra, why you come out like this? Oh well, I'm still cute though. Yeah. But yeah, it's really kind of, it's colder than I thought. Like, I should have brought gloves, like some earmuffs. I mean, it ain't that cold, but it feels that cold. Like, man, I walked out the house like, ooh, should have wore a thicker coat. Like, it's a jacket, basically. But, yeah. But I ain't doing nothing. I'm just heading to my grandma's house now. I'm checking on her, seeing how she's doing. But, yeah, when I get there, I'll let y'all know. But, yeah, one more thing. I just want to I want to know, what other videos are you guys watching on Vlogmas? Like, what videos caught your eye? Like, what do y'all like to see for Vlogmas? Comment that down below, and I got y'all. I'm gonna put that into my videos. We got 25 days of Christmas, so we can get this going, like, for real. And yeah, I do apologize because I'm filming on my phone. I'm not filming on my camera, so I keep looking like at the screen for some reason. I don't know why, but yeah, I keep looking at the screen instead of like the little bitty camera part. But yeah, you know, it is what it is. But yeah, comment down below what y'all seen today for Vlogmas and y'all like favorite YouTubers, or what you guys are doing for your first day of Vlogmas. Just comment that down below, because I'm getting into the spirit, the Christmas spirit. I ain't gonna be no Grinch this year, y'all. Come on. So yeah, I mean, I'm never the Grinch, even though I'll be a cute Grinch. But let's get into this Christmas spirit and let's do these vlogs. Let's get them out. Let's get it going. So yeah, this is my first official year of doing Vlogmas. So let's see how it goes, y'all. I tried it last year, couldn't get past day 2. So we got this. We gonna go full force. I got this. I gotta keep reminding myself so we can go. But yeah. All right, y'all. Oh my God, I know it's so cold. Ooh, I'm at my grandma's house now. Bought us some food.
Ain't it cold?
Yeah, it's cold. Look at the little lady in the background. Oh. I brought your laundry too.
Oh, there.
Yeah.
You went home and washed laundry, didn't
Yeah, I told you I was gonna do it for you. Ooh, it's cold. Where you eating at?
I'm back there with a movie.
Okay. Whew. Yeah, like yeah. When I say it's cold, okay, I did exaggerate, but now it's up there. It's cold now. Ooh, wrong angle. But yeah. Okay, so I'm about to visit my grandma, and I'll be back with y'all soon. All right. Ooh. Okay, ooh, let's see if this is better. Bye. All right, yeah, so I left my grandmother's house. I really didn't have that much planned today for this vlog. I just like cut on the camera and was like, oh, this is gonna be the day that I go look for this tree, thinking that it was gonna be forever, but I found it like bam. So now I'm like, okay. So yeah, right now I'm just heading back home because, you know, I'm done with work. So now I'm just headed back to basically do my YouTube work. I'm about to film some videos today, y'all. It's about to be ham, like for real. Ooh, it's bright. But yeah, I'm about to do some reactions. So stay tuned for those, because I'm about to be popping them out all week long, even with these vlogs, so I can constantly have content on my channel. But yeah, I've just been obsessed, y'all, like with that game Among Us. That game, oh my God, it's so crazy. Like, I'll be playing it. It reminds me of like the game back in the day, when I used to be in college. We used to play this game called, like, I think it was like Mafia. Sorry, but I think it's called Mafia. If not Mafia, something, because we have like villagers, our townspeople, the sheriff, the mayor. Like we had things like that. I forgot. Like, I'm gonna have to ask the people that I went to spring break with, because like we was going ham. Like, man, that was like the game we played every night when we was on spring break, like volunteering for Habitat for Humanity out in Florida. Ooh, that was amazing. But yeah, sometimes I get sidetracked. But yeah, that game Among Us reminds me of that, just a big virtual game. So that's why I'm like, because we always had to figure out who the killer was, which I was a G at it, but it was fun. So I ended up downloading the game, playing it, and I'm obsessed with it. I keep playing it for hours and hours and hours. So if you guys want to play some rounds with me, go ahead, comment that down below, because we can get some games started. But yeah, it was just, woo, it is bright, can't even see. Ooh, sorry if y'all can't see me, but this sun is beaming. I hate driving like around this time frame, and now that it gets dark like really quick now. But ooh, yeah, I can't see. Okay, all right, there you go. But yeah, I've basically been like watching a whole bunch of like YouTube Among Us like gameplays and stuff. So I'm about to watch a couple of those, and then I'm gonna like react to them, and then probably gonna play some. Yeah, and then I don't know. You never know. The future is bright. I might start a channel because I want to start a gaming channel so I can start streaming. Cause ooh, that's freaking like. But yeah, I want to start a gaming channel so I can start streaming all the like horror games I play. But I don't know, I might have to put a little Among Us up in there too. So we gonna see. But for right now, since my channel is basically reactions, about to react to some Among Us stuff and then some TikTok stuff. So yeah, stay tuned for those. Those are coming. The light is a little better. Well, it's not light. The sun is a little better. I kind of turned on the street, so it's like shifted off. Like it's still blinding me, but not as much as like directly on. But yeah, y'all, that is all for today. If I find something else, then I'll cut the camera back on. But if not, then yeah, thank you guys again for tuning into my first day Vlogmas. Thank you. We only got like 24 more days to go. So yeah, come on, tune in, subscribe, turn those notifications bells on so you guys can be prepared for Dearra. So yeah, thank you guys again. If you guys have any other things you guys really want to see me do or see me go do, go ahead, comment that down below, because I would love to hear some more ideas. Like I got my own ideas, but I'm always open to more. So yeah, yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't click off my page. Don't click off this. Well, click off this video, but go to one of my videos that is popping up right now, and I'll see y'all over there. So yes, don't forget again to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
So right, so right, so right. I'm just going with the gut. Never had a doubt, felt like this is just a must. Put me in perspective, I'm the deepest in the cut. Everybody tuning in, but this is just for us now.